How do rugs make your house look luxurious? Dear friends, a high-end designer rug can give any space a glamorous and significant touch. There is much more to a suitable area rug than its appearance. Designer rugs have numerous practical benefits for your home. Let's look at some incredible ways your designer rug can add style to your interiors. Enduring beauty. A well-designed rug will instantly brighten an ugly room. Consider the design, style, texture, and color of the floor art you carefully choose when decorating your home. You want your luxurious designer rug to be aesthetically pleasing to you and your visitors. The rest of your furniture and decorating theme should complement your designer rug. Adding a lovely designer rug can completely transform the appearance of every square meter of your house. Warm and cozy. Your home will never look bare or empty with a high-quality designer rug. A designer rug adds an unspoken level of comfort to your living room and surroundings and keeps your feet warm and cozy. The room will feel livelier when you decorate it with an expensive designer rug in your favorite colors, patterns, and styles. Adding a designer rug is a quick and easy way to make your house feel cozier and more inviting. Dampen noise. A fashionable and valuable way to reduce noise in your home is with designer rugs. Designer rugs are excellent at dampening noise. You'll hear fewer footsteps and other sounds if you place a designer rug in a big, open area, even more so with kids around. Final thoughts. As you can see, a designer rug is a piece of art that is much more complex than it first appears. Designer rugs have a lot of advantages that enhance your space's comfort and attractive appearance, considering they are a central focal point in a room. Consider how to make your rooms flow when considering how to use designer rugs in your home. This will provide you with more suggestions for creating a design that flows. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.